In the following, I'm going to share the steps to make this Inception style video. First step is to upload all the Avata 360 video clips into DJI Studio. Put a clip into the timeline and then press export. Choose panoramic video. For resolution, select 8K. Bitrate maintain to high and maintain 10-bit color, and then press export. This is how the panoramic video output looks like. Next step, we will import this into Final Cut Pro to mirror the upper part and the lower part. I have already uploaded a few panoramic videos. First thing is to make sure the projection mode is set to rectangular. For each video, create a new project. Set the resolution to customize. Put the video into the timeline and make a duplication on top. Rotate the top video by 180 degrees. Apply flipped effect. Apply shape mask. Export the merge video using export file function. Select video only. This is how the panoramic video looks like after the merge. You can see the upper part is mirrored with the lower part. Next step, we will input this to Insta360 Studio to produce 4K reframe videos. The merged panoramic video has been uploaded into Insta360 Studio. You can add a keyframe to change the view angle or position. Different views can be generated from a single video. To export, set the resolution to 4K. Bitrate set to 100 megabit per second for better quality. Finally, all the 4K reframe videos are imported to Final Cut Pro for final editing. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. See you next time.